Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing common problems encountered in free-range chicken farming and providing effective solutions. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, this video will help you overcome challenges and optimize your operation. So, let's dive in. Problem number 1, predators. In free-range farming, chickens are exposed to various predators like foxes, coyotes, and birds of prey. Protecting your flock is essential for their safety and your peace of mind. Solution: install predator-proof fencing around your chicken coop and run. Ensure the fencing is buried at least 12 inches deep to prevent predators from digging underneath. Additionally, consider using motion-activated lights or sirens to deter nocturnal predators. Problem number 2, disease and parasites. Free-range chickens have more exposure to external factors that can lead to disease and parasite infestation. Solution: schedule regular health checkups with a poultry veterinarian to monitor your flock's well-being. Implement a vaccination program against common diseases and regularly inspect your chickens for signs of parasites. Provide clean and dry bedding to reduce the risk of infestation. Problem number 3, nutrition. In free-range farming, ensuring a balanced diet for chickens can be challenging as they rely on foraging for a significant portion of their food. Solution: supplement your chicken's diet with a high-quality, nutritionally balanced feed. This will ensure they receive all the essential nutrients they need. Additionally, consider providing grit and oyster shells to aid digestion and promote eggshell quality. Problem number 4, predation of crops. Free-range chickens can sometimes wander into neighboring fields or gardens, causing damage to crops or plants. Solution: install secure fencing around your crops or use movable electric fencing to protect them. This will prevent chickens from accessing areas where they can cause harm. You can also create designated foraging areas within your farm to divert their attention from valuable crops. Problem number 5, record keeping. Managing a free-range chicken farm requires meticulous record keeping to ensure traceability and comply with regulations. Solution: utilize digital tools or software to maintain accurate records of your flock, including vaccination history, feeding schedules, and any treatments administered. This will not only simplify farm management but also help you meet regulatory requirements. And there you have it, the most common problems in free-range chicken farming and effective solutions to overcome them. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a successful and sustainable free-range operation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on farming best practices. Thank you for watching and happy farming!